She's a spinner. Hey everyone, welcome. Today I've got a fun video for you all, but I need a special guest. Who can I get? Hey, who are you?
Abby.
Hey Abby.
Hi.
Abby, what'd you bring with you today? I think I have something like that too. Look guys. What are these, Abby?
L.O.Ls.
Little outrageous littles. They're surprise dolls, aren't they?
Yeah.
All right, Abby. How many surprise dolls do we have to open?
We have 1, 2, 3,
and 4. 4 surprise dolls. Let's put them all in here, and I'm going to let you pick one out. Okay? Put them all in. Ah, there you go. Shake it up really good. Don't peek. Okay, open one up. Which one are we going to do first? First, let me see. All right, we're going to have to show them what this is. It's L.O.L, Little Outrageous Littles. That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
7 layers of surprise inside. So there's 7 different little surprises in it.
Yeah.
Have you done this before, Abby?
No.
All right. Have you guys opened one before? Well, it'll be our first try. All these have little zippers. Each one has a zipper.
Zip.
So we do the zippers first. So we'll do pull here first, okay?
Zip, zip, zip.
So here we go. I'm going to pull this down first. I have to pull it to where you show them. Let me get it started for you. Okay, Abby, you pull a little bit. I'll pull the zipper down first, okay? All right, now pull the first layer off. That's what we got. Wait, what is there? Go on, pull that off there.
Oh, what is it? It gotta be ripped a little bit more.
There's this, wait, there's this. Okay, what is that? That's our first clue. What is the clue?
A doggy and a party blower.
Let's see, party blower and a dog. What is that? Party dog.
Party dog.
I don't know.
It's a party dog.
Okay, here's the next zipper.
Zip thing, zip, 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 zip.
So we're gonna pull the next zipper.
And I'm gonna open it.
Yep, I'm gonna pull the zipper part for you first, okay?
Okay.
To do this to where everybody can see it. Okay, so I'll pull the zipper and you do the rest. Okay, there's the second. We'll get better at this after once we try it here, won't we?
Yeah.
Okay,
This is all.
what's the second? There's the surprise. See what that is first. Let me see.
Stickers.
Feed or bathe her to reveal a surprise. So she's either changes colors, spits, tinkles, or cries. What do you want to get first?
Claws.
You want to get a crier?
Uh-huh.
All right.
I want a
Let's go for the next surprise. Here's the next one.
Are you gonna get it started?
Yep, we're going to start it. Okay, what's that? Is there anything? There has to be some. There's the first surprise. Pull it out. Oh, there's the first surprise. All right, here we go. Let's open it and see. Here you go. See what's in there.
A bottle.
Bottle.
Bottle. It's a baby
It's a
bottle.
pink bottle. What color is it?
Pink and
Okay.
white.
Good bottle. And here's the next one. Looks like the ball is, what color is this ball? Blue?
Blue and pink. And green.
All right, and here's the next surprise. Pull it off of there. Aha. Found another one. Need to keep my scissors ready, don't I? Not off anymore. Here we go. Pull this one out. See what we got. Here, I'll hold it up for you.
Oh no. Oh no.
What is it?
A shoe.
Is there two shoes or just one shoe?
One.
There's just one shoe in there?
No.
Oh, she's got cute little boots.
I hope this is gonna be the superhero.
The superhero one? Alright. Here goes the next one.
I hope it has a little doll.
Alright, just rip that one off there.
But boy.
Cute little boots. Can you get it? Right here. Right here where I started it at. Right there.
A zipper?
Yeah, pull it at the zipper. There you go. Pull it off there. Just rip into it. Oh, yay. Uh-oh. See what's in there. Look, show them the... It's got a little surprise in here. Okay, Abby. Can you get it? Can you get it? What's this gonna be?
Cute. Look at this cute little top.
Okay, see what it is.
Oh my gosh.
That is cute.
Show it.
Is that a shirt? Look at that cute little shirt. Okay, now let's open it and get the doll out. So to get the doll out,
Let's open it.
oh, look at all of it.
Look at all of that. Look, here's the collector's guide.
There's the collector's guide.
So you can know all their names.
Okay, let's open it.
Hey, we get all kinds of stuff in these.
Okay, pull her out. She's packaged really good, ain't she? She's in another package. Whoa! She's cool. Let's see what she looks like. Show them to everybody. Show them what you got. And then look, here's another one. Here's her little bow.
Oh.
She's got a little bow.
Look.
Turn it around and show it to everybody. And here is the little collector's guide.
Okay, so who she is, look above.
Let's see who she is. She looks like we have Diva.
Diva?
Diva.
I'm listening to Diva.
You are. All right, let's put her clothes on. I wonder if she is
Hey,
a
let's go
color
on.
changer. I think she's.
I have a color changer.
I think her hair is a color changer. So let's.
Will you help me, Uncle?
Uh-huh.
Hello.
Let's put her little. She looks like a little Nicki Minaj.
Nicki Minaj.
And then bring her up and show everybody how she changes colors. Dip her all the way in there. All right, now bring her up and show everybody. What color is that? Yellow and pink. Dip her back. And see if she... Now bring her up and show everybody. Show it. And she's gone. Dip her in the cold water. And bring it up. Oh, how cool.
Oh no. We need a towel if we're gonna squirt this.
So, see if she's oh! She's a spitter. Okay, guys, don't forget to
Like, comment,
and subscribe.